The next version of TMS WEB Core, codename Verona, is just around the corner. I would like to introduce a feature that is simply amazing. The biggest problem I always have developing web applications, be it with WEB Core or any other framework, as soon as we move over to the web, the IDE is not as sufficient with regard to debugging as compared to a desktop application. So here we go with a new version of TMS WEB Core that will show you how it's done right. Here's a new TMS WEB Core application. I simply add two controls onto the form. One is a T-Web Edit and the other one is a T-Web Button. I name the button and the edit number. The implementation of the button on click event is nothing but generating a random number which is going to be assigned to the edit. So this is the code. We define a local variable called lNumber and assign a random number to it. Then we convert lNumber to text and assign it to the text property of number. Pretty simple. So here's the good part. So far you were able to set breakpoints inside of the browser. But guess what? We can select this, set the breakpoint right here in the Delphi IDE, run our WEB Core application, open up the console, click the button, and guess what? There's a breakpoint, and here we don't see JavaScript, we see Pascal. So this is, for me, the best feature in any web framework developing web applications ever. Because now we can go step by step through the code, and we will still get Delphi code inside of a web application that's actually JavaScript. This button here allows me to step over the next function call. lNumber is being assigned the random number, and guess what? Here we see lNumber being 2309, and the next function call assigns it to the edit control, and now we can proceed our script execution. You can really debug Delphi code with TMS WEB Core now, and you can even dig deeper. Press the button again, and let's step into the code step by step. So you really can see the random call, and guess what? This is not JavaScript again. This once again is Delphi code. So you can immediately understand what is going on, and you can see where it is being coded in the system.pass. So there is no doubt in my mind that this feature will make it much easier to create efficient, innovative, modern, and this is the key fact, bug-free web applications with TMS WEB Core. Download the beta now and experiment with the new debugging feature and experience it for yourself, how easy and how comfortable it is to build web applications with TMS WEB Core.